I started with Verizon on my 21st birthday, and I worked for Verizon for 29 years. I felt as though working for Verizon was an excellent choice for me because of the benefits. I had two children, and we needed to have an income, and I was supplied with a good income, but mostly I was supplied with the idea that when I decided to retire that I would have a good benefit to retire with, which was important to me. In 1995, we were sent a package that said that our pension was changing. At that time, my son had just died, and I wasn't really paying attention to the package. I looked at it, saw it, and thought, oh, this is the company I worked for many years. No, they're not going to hurt me. So I put the package aside. In 1999, I picked up the newspaper and saw that the plan that I had was coming under attack. A lot of employees wrote letters to the CEO. We went to Congress, we went to the media. We wanted everyone to hear our story. In that regard, we were lucky. We got our pension back. I feel very fortunate to have my pension, and that's why I feel so strongly about people who don't have it, because I myself am okay with the pension that I have. But I look around this country now and I see so many people losing their pensions. My vision for America at this point is that we have a retirement system in place that services all the people in this country who are working and deserve to have a comfortable retirement. In regards to the retirement system that we have today, America is in a crisis. We have people who are losing their pension plans every day. They're being converted to 401k plans that they don't understand, they don't know how to manage. We need a retirement system that works for everyone.